What's up YouTube? Thank you guys for watching another video with the Soldier Barber Life. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about a product that I just got. And that product is the Wahl 19 hot lather machine. And in this video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing, going to be doing a review, and I'm also going to be talking more in depth about it. And I know you guys are probably thinking like, bro, it's 2022, who still uses hot lather machines? Isn't that like what your grandpa used and all them in their shops when they were doing straight razor shaves? Yes, that might be true. But what I want to share with you guys is something like this is an old tradition, but it is something that you can add to your services and it'll provide your clients with a whole experience and a premium service. Jump into this unboxing. So this is a pretty decent sized box actually, if you can't tell already. Alright, so we'll open it up. Got some instructions here like normal. Alright, and this actually comes with the hot lather, and this is pre-mixed already, so there's no need for you to mix this. You can literally just dump this in and it's ready to go. So it looks like they give you actually an extra pump, which is great too, just in case the original one goes out, you have an extra one that comes with it. And here is the hot lather machine itself. So I mean, that's pretty decent size. You can see compared to my hand, it's pretty big, decent size, but that means it should last for a good amount of time. Looks like it's got a pretty long extension cord on there, so that should be good. Underneath, it's got like the little rubber stops on there, so that'll keep it from sliding all over the place. On the front, you got the power switch on and off, and then you have the little LED light here that tells you when the product is warmed up or when it's heating. So let's take this lid off, and this is the actual part where you put the hot lather in. So it does have on there a maximum fill line. Just twist that off, put the hot lather inside, and then this is almost like, this is the heater itself. So it's almost kind of like if you have like a rice cooker, and you just put this in there. So if you're not familiar with other hot lather machines, they have a lot of mechanical parts, and with a lot of mechanical parts you have the possibility of stuff failing. So that's the big difference between a lot of those other hot lather machines and this one, is this one here doesn't really have any mechanical parts. You have the heating element here, and then you have the pump itself. So you have the container and the pump, and then more than likely what would go out probably over time is this pump, but you get an extra pump that comes with it. So long story, you know, if you even had to purchase them, these will probably be relatively inexpensive to have to replace. Alright, so on this next part here, like I said, you get the lather that comes with it. And from the research that I've done and other people that I've talked to that have previously had this machine, it does say that, and even on the instructions, it does tell you that it takes it about 50 minutes for it to warm up to get that ideal like hot temperature. But everyone that I've talked to said that if you fill this up only halfway, that it'll cut that time down in half. So I'm actually going to do that and test that theory out, see if that works. And then, I mean, that'll be beneficial too, because it'll get hot faster. And then I'm not going to be using it so much to where I'm going to burn through this to where half of it isn't going to last me. this off and actually try to spray this all gold, but that may be for another time. And you might wonder that. You can probably tell everything else in here, the theme that I have, all my other stuff is all gold, so we'll see if I might do that to this as well. So just to give a holistic review, I wanted to actually try this product out on myself. So I did take it into my bathroom and use it to shave my own face, and it only took about 25 to 30 minutes for it to actually heat up. And I think it did that just because I filled it up halfway, so it did expedite the amount of time that it did take to heat up. But when it came out, it was warm, wasn't too hot, it wasn't cold, you know, so that was definitely a different feel. With me being in the military, I had to shave my face every day when I'm going into work, so this was definitely a great feeling. So as previously stated in the beginning of the video, I will be sharing with you guys how I do plan on incorporating this hot lather machine and service into my services. And the main point, or the main time I'm going to be using it, is actually for prepping the skin for anywhere that I'm going to be lining up, whether it's the hairline or the beard line. I'll put that hot lather on there, and then after that I'm going to follow it up with a hot towel. And this is a two-part function. It provides a luxury service to the client, but it also preps that skin and gets it all nice and clean and preps it for giving it a nice hairline. So by doing those steps, you're able to actually produce results like this, where you have a nice, clean, crispy hairline that the clients definitely will appreciate. So hopefully this video was informative and gave you guys a new perspective or info on how to utilize this services and how you can incorporate a hot lather machine into your modern day services here in 2022. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, drop a like and a comment down below if you have any questions, and thank you guys for watching.